Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your RAM 2500 key fob. This simple process can be done at home with just a couple of common items. First, you will need a small flat blade screwdriver or a coin, and a fresh 3-volt coin cell battery. It is important to verify the exact battery model, which is frequently a CR2032 or CR2450, by inspecting your current battery. Now, let's get started by opening the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your fob and pressing it firmly. This action will allow you to slide out the emergency mechanical key. Once the key is removed, you will see a small notch or gap near its slot. Insert your small flat blade screwdriver or a coin into this opening and gently twist it to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you will now see the old battery. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old 3-volt coin cell battery from its housing. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. Usually, the positive side faces upward or outward. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing the correct direction. Try to avoid touching the battery's surface with your fingers. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear them snap securely into place. Double-check that all the edges are flush and there are no gaps. Next, slide the emergency mechanical key back into its designated slot until it locks. Once everything is back together, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your RAM 2500 to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.